Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Burundi using the Remitly app. So you just have to open the Remitly app, then go to the top left corner of the screen where you can choose the country that you wish to send money to, Burundi in our case. And when you choose it, you just have to tap on the bottom of the screen on the Get Started icon. And when you tap on it, you can choose the amount of money that you would like to send, 546, and then below that you can see the same amount in the recipient country's currency in Burundi in our case. Then tap on continue to choose the delivery method that you would like to use. We have bank deposit, cash pickup, and mobile money. Choose the one that you would like to use, and then if you choose a bank deposit, for example, here you can see some of the most popular banks in Burundi. But if you don't see the one that you would like to use, you can always choose another bank here from this list, and you can see all the available banks in Burundi. So just choose one of the banks. Then you have to add the account number of the recipient. Here you must be very careful to use the correct number. Then you have to add the first name and last name of the recipient. Tap on continue again. Then you have to add a phone number for the recipient. Then tap on continue again. You can choose to notify or not to notify the recipient. And the last step is going to be adding your debit or credit card details, so the Remitly app can charge your card and the recipient is going to receive the money in his bank account. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.